I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Mobile Legends, open Settings now. Tap the profile or gear icon, then choose Sound. This is where you change music, SFX, and voice chat levels. Adjust sliders to hear differences immediately, lower SFX to hear voice chat clearer, or mute music for focus. Once done, make sure to back out and let the game save automatically. This initial step is both how you access controls and why it matters. Precise sliders give cleaner in-game audio balance for Now customize each channel. Move music, SFX, and voice chat sliders to preferred values. Test by joining a quick match or using lobby sounds. You adjust the mix to prioritize what you need. For ranked play, increase voice chat and lower music so team calls cut through. Make sure to toggle mic and background music settings if you want them off. Once you compare headset versus phone speakers, you understand why these tweaks change perceived loudness and clarity, and you can fine-tune accordingly. Finish by exiting settings so changes persist. If you don't hear updates, restart the game to reload audio modules. Make sure your device volume and do not disturb aren't blocking sounds, and verify you haven't muted individual players in voice chat. If the mic or sound still fails, grant microphone/storage permissions in system settings, test with another app to isolate the issue, then reinstall Mobile Legends as a last resort. This troubleshooting step explains why permissions or system settings often cause audio problems and how to fix them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.